Every morning, Alice walks to school. Here is her house. Here is her school. There is a path in between. Now here is the puzzle. If she walks 60 meters every minute, she is 4 minutes late. If she walks 80 meters every minute, she is 4 minutes early. That means 4 minutes before the bell. So how far is the school from Alice's house? Pause the video, have a think. Here is a little hint. How many minutes does walking faster save her? Let's solve it together with 3 friendly ideas. Idea 1. How many minutes does hurrying save? When Alice walks slow, she is 4 minutes late. When Alice walks fast, she is 4 minutes early. So hurrying turns 4 minutes late into 4 minutes early. That is a jump of 4 plus 4. That is 8 minutes saved. Now idea 2. We want a fair piece of the path to compare, a piece that takes a whole number of minutes at both speeds. So let's skip count. At 60 meters a minute, we land on 60, then 120, then 180, then 240. At 80 meters a minute, we land on 80, then 160, then 240. The first number they both land on is 240, so 240 meters is our fair piece. At the slow speed of 60, that piece takes 4 minutes. At the fast speed of 80, that same piece takes 3 minutes. So on every 240 meter piece, the slow walk takes just 1 minute longer. Now idea 3. How many pieces do we need? We need the slow walk to be 8 minutes longer in all. Each piece adds 1 minute, so let's count. 1 piece, 1 minute. 2 pieces, 2 minutes. We keep going. We need 8 minutes, so we need 8 pieces. And 8 times 240 is 1,920 meters. Nice work. Let's check it. First, the slow way. 1920 divided by 60 is 32 minutes. The bell is at 28 minutes, so 32 is 4 minutes late. That fits. Now the fast way. 1920 divided by 80 is 24 minutes. The bell is at 28 minutes, so 24 is 4 minutes early. That fits too. It works. This is the late plus early idea. If the same trip is some minutes late at a slow speed and some minutes early at a fast speed, the fast speed saves those two numbers added together. Then you count equal friendly chunks until they save exactly that many minutes. Look for one speed that makes you late and another that makes you early. Add those two numbers. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.